Are you struggling to find time to start an income, remote income of some kind? What if I told you that with our business, you can work 1 to 2 hours a day and create some very serious income? We've made over $24,000 in the last 8 weeks, and this week is not even over yet. So if you are serious about an income, especially a remote income where you can create the kind of income you want for your family, for a down payment for a car, maybe a down payment for a house, for travel, helping kids, helping grandkids, doing the kinds of fun things you want. If you're looking for that kind of income, you need to be serious. And I am too. So down below, put ready, and I will send you both a link to our site so you can take a look at a short video on our business. I will also include my personal link with all my references because I'm serious about creating income for our family. I'm serious about creating income for your family, and I'm happy to help. So down below, put ready. I'll get you that information, and I'll see you on the other side.